Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Let me introduce myself. My name is GUSTIN RAHMA LUTFIANA. I'm from International Class of Mathematics Education 2019. My ID number is 410141901. Oh wait, before we start the class, let's pray together. Pray begin. Okay, now I'll check your presents. Sagrada Aini.
I'm sorry, ma'am. She is sick. She is yelling.
I hope she will recover soon. Sania Sally.
Yes, ma'am.
Tegar Prasetyo.
He is joining writing competition, ma'am.
Good luck for him. Okay. Do you know what we are going to learn today?
Line equation, ma'am.
Yes, brilliant. But before that, do you have a question about the previous materi?
No, ma'am. It is clear.
Okay, thank you. And do you know something or anything about line equation?
Gradient, ma'am.
Yes. If we talk about line equation, we talk about gradient. But before that, we have to know what is a line equation.
I think line equation is a ratio between x and y.
Yes, you're right. That's a very good answer. But line equation is an equation usually between two variables and we usually use x and y where the relation between x and y is a line. What does it mean? For example, like this. We have y is equal to 1/2x. So, make a x and y table like this. If we have the x is 0, what is the value of y?
0.
Yes. If the x is 2, what is it?
1.
Yes. And if this is 4, what is it?
2.
Yes. Now, we want to draw this point in a coordinate. I want to draw in here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 in the x-axis and 1, 2, 3 in y-axis. This is 0, 0. It is here. 2, 1. The x is 2 and y is 1. So it is here. And then 4, 2. This is 4 for x and this is 2 for y. It's here. So we can draw a line here. The line is here is a set of a point that satisfies y. I have another example. Suppose we have 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. We make a table again. This is x and y. If we have the x is 0, what is this?
2.
2. And if y is 0, what is x?
3.
3. That's enough. We just need 2 points for this. I will draw here. 1, 2, 3. And this is 1, 2. And we have 3,0. 3,0 is here. So we have this. This is the first that we're gonna talk. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Do you want to write this in your notebook?
No.
Okay, I'll erase it. And after this, we're going to talk about how about the general equation of the line equation. General form of the line equation. We have two general forms. The first general form is y is equal to mx plus k. And the second one is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Maybe you want to ask about what is m, what is k, but we will talk about that later. So now we just want to talk about the general form. First, y is equal to mx plus k. Suppose I have an equation like this. Y is equal to 3x plus 7. So, what is the m? 3. And what is the k? 7. That's great. And this is the first equation. And suppose I have 2y plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. How can we find the value of m and the value of k? First, we have to make this form to this form. So it's gonna be like this. 2y is equal to minus 3x minus 5. And then we divide it by 2, by 2. So we get y is equal to minus 3 over 2x minus 5 over 2. So from this, we can find the m. What is the m?
Minus 3 over 2.
Yes, minus 3 over 2. And what is the k?
Minus 5 over 2.
Yes, that's right. Minus 5 over 2. This is the first general form. Now, I want to talk about the second one. The second general form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Suppose I have 3x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. From this equation, you can determine the a, b, and c. What is the a of this? 3. And b? 6. And c?
Minus 9.
But how about this? If we have 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. What is the a? 2. And b?
0.
And c?
Minus
question from this?
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Do you want to write this in your notebook?
Yes.
Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, is it finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll erase it. Then, after we know about the general form, we have to know about how to draw a line equation. How to draw a line equation. What do you think about draw a line equation? How many points that we need to draw a line equation?
2, ma'am.
2, you're right. That's a very good answer. Because why? If we just have one line here, 1 point, one point here, so the line is not clear. It can be like this, it can be like this, or like this, or like this. It's not clear. But if we have 3, for example, 3 points here, and we draw like this is too much. Can you see here? 2 points is enough. Why we have to do with 3 points? So we just want to use 2 points to draw a line equation. Suppose I have 2x plus 4y is equal to 8. Then the most easy way, if you have to find the value of y when the x is 0 and the value of x when the y is 0. So suppose this is 0 and this is 0. What is y? 2. Y is 2. And if the y is 0, what is x? 4. At the point, we can draw a line. 1, 2, 3, 4. X. 1, 2, 3, 4. Y. The first is 0, 2. 0, 2 is here. And 4, 0 is here. This is 2, this is 4. So it's gonna be like this. Do you want the other example?
No, ma'am.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Okay.
Serious.
Okay. How about this? Do you understand how we have to draw a line equation?
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
Okay. I'll explain about, after this, I'll explain about what you say before. You say that a line equation is, we have to talk about gradient. So we want to talk about gradient after this. But just write this for 1 minute. I give you 1 minute to write this.
Yes.
Are you finished it?
Yes, ma'am. I'm finished.
Do you want to erase this for me?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, we're gonna talk about what do you expect before. We're gonna talk about the gradient. Finally, we talk about that. Because it is special maybe for you. Gradient. First, what is a gradient? Gradient is a slope gradient. So you know what is m before, right? You use m, but you don't know what is m, and now you know m is a gradient. We can find gradient by using delta y over delta x. This is the formula of finding a gradient. I'll explain to you what is delta y, what is delta x. Maybe some of you don't know what is delta y or delta x. Okay, this is x and this is y. Suppose I have a point here. You can call this as x1, y1, and I have a point here. You can call this x2, y2. And delta y is here. This is delta y. And delta x is from this point until this point. So delta x is here. This is delta x. So we can rewrite this as y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is the other form to finding a gradient. Okay. After this, what do we going to talk about? Do you agree about this?
Yes, ma'am. I'm agreeing.
Okay. And after that, oh, I give you an example. Example, we have 2 points. Example is given 2 points. The first point is 12,6 and the second point is 9,7 maybe. And we can find the gradient by using this. So the gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus xy. So what's y2?
7 minus
7 minus 6 over 9 minus 12. So this is 1 over minus 3. So we have the gradient is minus 1 over 3. Okay, I think you already write this in your notebook, so I want to go to the next material. There are 3 types of gradient. 3 types of gradient. The first type is the gradient positive. If the line is like this is x, and this is y, and the line is like this, so the gradient is positive. The second one is this is y, this is x, and the line is like this. The gradient is negative. And the third, if we have a line like this, the gradient is 0. Any question about this?
I'm sorry, ma'am. Why is it 0?
Oh, you want to ask about this?
Yes.
Why the gradient is 0? Okay. I redraw this. This is x, this is y, and suppose this is 2. Here is 2. So we know that the equation of this line is y is equal to 2. We know that 2 is a constant, right? So y is equal to 2. We can write this as y equal to mx plus k, and y is 2. So 2 equal to mx plus k. But look at here. We know that the value of x is different in the entire line. It's different, but the value of y is always 2. So because the x is always different, and 2 is a constant, that makes the gradient is 0. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Do you want to write this?
Yes.
I just give you 1 minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Are you finished?
Yes.
Okay. The next, we know about gradient. We know about how to draw an equation, but we don't know how to find the equation. So now let's talk about how to find the equation. There are two methods of finding an equation. Finding or make equation. The first way, if it is a given the gradient and 1 point. For example, in the exercise you find this is example, right? Find the equation of line if given the gradient is 1/2 and the point is 2,4. This is used for a question like this. But before we do this, we must know that from this we can get that we know that y is equal to mx plus k. But in here it's given a point. So we have, suppose this point is x1 and y1. So we have y1 is equal to mx1 plus k. And we can eliminate this and we get y minus y1 equal to mx minus mx1. Y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. This is very useful formula. After we know this, we can do this problem, right? So we have the problem. We know that given gradient is 1/2 and given the point is 2,4. So we use this y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1. Do you want to solve it?
Yes, ma'am.
That's very good. I give a plus for you. Standing plus. But this is not. I don't like to say this. So we can multiply by 2. So we get 2y equal to x plus 3. And if we want to change this to the ax by plus c0 form, we can get this 2y, this is minus x plus 2y minus c equal to 0. Do you have any question about the first way to find an equation?
No, ma'am.
Really? Okay. And I'll explain about the second way. The second way is if given 2 points. Okay, and let the first point is one x1 comma y1, and second point x2 comma y2. Actually, this is similar with the previous method, but just a little bit different. The previous method say that y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. We can use this to replace the m. We know that m is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Yes. We just replace this to this. So we get y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 multiplied by x minus x1. Or if you think that it is too long for me, you can divide it by this. So we get this y minus y1 over x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. But I like to use this because this is too long for me, I think. You can just use this. The first way is you can find the gradient first, so you just use this. That is more easy than this, I think. After this, I'll give you a quiz. Just one question. Just one, okay? So, if you want to write this, just write in your notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
And you can study your notes for a minute and I'll give you a quiz. Just one question. Is it enough?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for the quiz?
I'm ready.
Before I start the quiz, I'll give you a warning that one of you, have to solve this in front of the class. Not in your notebook, but in front of the class, okay? Just one. Given given 2 points, one, comma 2, and 3,4. It's easy, right? And 3,4. So find the equation, the line equation. And this is your answer. Okay. Anyone want to solve it? You? Maybe? Come on. It's easy. It's not hard. Don't be shy, it's alright. Yes. Yes. Good. Okay. Can you explain to your friend? Can you explain this to your friend? It's alright. Okay. Your friend doesn't want to explain it for you, so I want to explain for you. She likes to use this, but I don't like to use this. But the answer is like yes, y minus y1, y1 is 0, x minus x1, x1 is 1, and y2 minus y1, 4 minus 0, x2 minus x1, 3 minus 1. Yes, it's fine. I'll give 10 points addition for you. Special for you. Okay. I think it's enough for today, but before you go home, maybe after this, I'll give you a homework. Okay? I'll give you a homework. Just two. It's not me. This is x, this is y. The first question is find. Sorry. Determine A, the gradient for M. B, find the equation of the line. Okay. Number 2, given 2 points, 3,4 and minus 7, then determine 8. The gradient of M and C, the equation of the line. Okay, this is homework. Homework for the next time. Okay, because time's up, so I have to end this class. Right now. Okay. Thank you for your all attention. I'm sorry if I have many mistakes here, but I'm so sorry if I have many mistakes here. And I hope you can do this homework with your friend, with your brother, or anyone. You can do this homework and do the exercise. Oh, I forgot. I'll add the homework. Just open your book at page 394 and do the exercise number 1 until number 10. You can submit it for me the next week. Okay. I think it's enough. Thank you for your all attention, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Have a good day.